Morning, girl.
Prepare for the cold with a rugged, reliable Zippo hand warmer. Take the cap off, remove the catalytic burner, pour Zippo lighter fluid into the filler cup. Fill to the lower line for 6 hours of warmth or the upper line for 12. Then pour into the hand warmer. Replace the burner. Apply a flame to the burner for about 3 to 5 seconds. After ignition, heat is provided by a catalytic process without flame. Put the cap back on. Slip the hand warmer into your fleece bag, and you're ready to go. For hiking, sporting events, skiing, camping, and whatever else you got planned on a cold day, the Zippo hand warmer. Be ready.